Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and if you're new here, don't forget to join the Kwak fam and become part of the family. We do lots of fun things here, like talk about beauty, skincare. At times I vlog and show you my life, a little inside scoop, all that good stuff. So click subscribe, join the Kwak fam, and if you're a returning subscriber, then of course, thank you so much for coming back. That means so much to me. You have no idea how much that means to me. I am every day very grateful. Thank you. Alright, so today's video is, I was going to say it's going to be a quick video, but I feel like I say that with all my videos. Hopefully they're not too long, so it gives you, it makes you want to watch the whole thing. Anyway, so today's video is a testing out something. Does it really work? DIY, a little bit of mixture of all this stuff. So, I've been watching a couple of YouTube videos, seeing a couple of Instagram, mini videos, and just Twitter posts here and there, and people are doing DIY hacks, beauty hacks, making your own demi-wispy lashes. And you guys know demi-wispy lashes are ridiculously expensive. I mean, for one lash, like one pair of lashes, they can go up to like $20, $30, maybe even $40, like the really expensive ones. And I don't know about you guys, but unless I'm like really pinching pennies, I don't want to spend $40 on lashes. Unless they're like really, 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 really worth it. You know what I mean? But if there's like a DIY, and trust me, I'm not really a DIY girl. I'd rather BUY, buy. But if there's a DIY to save me $40, $30, I'll become a DIY girl. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try this little beauty hack thing I saw all over social media, and I'll tell you guys if I think it works and if it's worth doing, or just save yourself the trouble and don't even bother doing this beauty hack, if you know what I mean. Alright? Alright, so I gathered like all my really cheap lashes, and they're not, they're so cheap, I don't really take care of them like that because they're not my nice expensive ones. So these are my like really cheap lashes that I use probably once and maybe twice if I'm really taking good care of them, and I toss it out. So if they look kind of messy, then you know why. Alright, so these are my lashes. So that's the thick lashes. Those are the really cheap Amazon lashes. And these are the slightly used CVS Rite Aid, type of lash. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and hold down the lashes with like this little eyelash apply applicator. And just kind of hold it down, and using a spoolie, alright, they seem to be very vigorous with their, rubbing back and forth. And if you see products coming off of my spoolie, it's because, this is the spoolie I use, so it has makeup on it, so just ignore that. That is not what we're looking at, so yeah. Alright, so let's kind of hold that down, and just go back and forth with it, I guess. I feel like this is gonna like ruin the lashes, but like I'm like really going into it. Like really going ham, you know what I mean? Look at all that makeup, huh? Alright, so that looks like that's pretty done. I'm gonna leave that to the side. Let's pick up the next lash. Alright, so there is the Amazon cheap lash. Alright, so let's go ahead and do our thing. Hold on the lash, kind of go in there and just really be rough with it. And we got one more left right there. So let's go ahead and finish it up. Okay, you guys, so I did kind of line them up just to show you guys like a before and after shot. And so on the left side right here are our before shots. So before shot on the left side, and then on the right side we have all of our after shots. And you guys, I think this little DIY demi-wispy trick does work. I mean, I did have to go in there and really vigorously rub in with the lashes, so it does take quite a bit of time. I mean, with the thicker lashes, I feel like you can't really tell that it worked all that much just because the lashes are really thick and full. So I don't think it made that much of a big difference here. So those are the lashes before and those are the lashes after. I mean, there is a very slight difference. So I put it like right next to each other, and at the very tips of the lashes, they do look ever so slightly different, but to me not that much of a difference with these lashes. Moving on to these really cheap lashes from Amazon. They do look a little different. I mean, let me brighten up the screen a little bit. All right, so if you look at it, the before picture or the before lashes right here, they seem to be, you know, more uniformed and more like, you know, they just have more structure to them, whereas these, they are more kind of like very like free and all over the place. So I guess with this, it did work out to be more wispier looking and more natural looking. And then of course, finally, the last lashes before and after. I feel like this one, it was kind of hard to tell just because they've been used up already. And so, but I figured I just put them in anyway. So this is the before and these are the after. And they do look slightly wispier. So I feel like the winner for the best wispy DIY wispy lashes is the most cheapest one. It came out more noticeable in my opinion. Overall, I do think the DIY wispy lash DIY little trick does work. I mean, it does take a little bit of like good arm muscle to really, you know, wispy up those lashes. And the good thing is it worked the best on the most cheapest lash that I showed you guys. So I guess you can find or buy the cheapest lash out there or cheapest falsies out there and then place it on yourself and, you know, get your DIY wispy lash for cheap. So I guess this hack does work. Now, if I'm being honest, will I do this every time I put on my lashes? No. Maybe I'll do it sometimes, but I don't have time to, like, you know, really do this. Maybe I'll, like, set aside a time to do it. I don't know. But it seems like the hack does work. I showed it to you guys, and yeah, so I think it depends on what type of lashes you are using. That's also a big key. So try this hack out for yourself. See if it works for you. See if you have like a better trick or a tip to do this, you know, because doing this spoolie action is gets a little tiring. All right, so that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this little beauty hack DIY that I learned from other people and sharing with you guys, you know, because sharing beauty knowledge is amazing. All right, so of course, if you haven't already, click subscribe, join the Kwak fam. If you like videos like this, click that like button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. All right, bye.